everybody, it's Lori. Welcome to my studio. I'm so glad you stopped by. Today we're going to play with paint, and I thought I'd take you on a ride with me. I'm not sure how it's going to turn out, but that's kind of the fun of this whole thing. What I've got is a 4x12 inch canvas and some paints, obviously. I am going to use my cloud mix in white on the base. And I have some Amsterdam lamp black with just American Floetrol, Artist Loft metallic purple, Golden quinacridone nickel azo gold, DecoArt 24 karat gold in the metallics, Amsterdam primary yellow, Amsterdam, oh, what is that one? I can't remember. Permanent blue violet, Arteza in the pearl amaranth red, Arteza pearl rose, Golden quinacridone crimson, and over here I've got the DecoArt Metallics sterling silver mixed about half and half with the Amsterdam phthalo blue. And it came out to be a really pretty color. It's got a lot of glimmer to it. I'll just show you that one before I put it down. But I'm just going to put on some music, and I used, we'll see what happens. I used the cloud mix because I just thought it might help bring up a little bit of cells. We'll see. I think I'm going to try swiping some colors. Not sure if I'm going to use all of these on that little canvas, but we'll see. I'll put you up on the tripod here, and I will meet you back here in a sec. So here's the close-up. This is fun. I love all the colors. I did end up using them all. I just made sure that when I put them down, I put them next to colors that they wouldn't mix with and become muddy. So it's kind of, even though they're not rainbow colors, kind of a rainbow theme with the way I put them down. I like it. It's pretty cool. Hopefully it'll dry nice. Thanks for coming on my little journey with me today. I might have to try some more of this just because it's fun. It's something different. Something I haven't done in a while. And I enjoy it. Thanks for liking and subscribing. If you haven't already subscribed, I would love you to. That would be awesome. Thank you so much. And don't forget to take care of yourself. I skipped a day yesterday putting a video out because I needed some self-care myself. Sometimes we have to remind ourselves to do that. So I figured I was reminding you guys every video I better heed my own advice yesterday. Anyway, thanks for hanging out. Take care of yourselves. We'll see you next time. Bye.